Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 3rd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at these storm systems here moving across the country. You can see here is one system here bringing that severe weather, still from Texas, Arkansas, all the way into the Ohio River Valley, portions of the Tennessee and Kentucky areas as well. Some activity from Virginia all the way into Maine, also over toward the Nova Scotia area, and also a little bit towards St. John's Island. You can see a high pressure ridge pretty much part right over the central and western U.S. You can see it kind of them dominating pretty much most of the area. You got a high pressure system over portions of the Gulf and also into the portion of the Caribbean Sea as well. We got some scattered activity over South America, also more activity in the Eastern Pacific, and also got more activity over portions of northern Mexico into Texas and New Mexico and Arizona. Also more scattered activity over Nevada, also in the portion of Utah, Colorado, also through the Dakotas, also Kansas, Montana, and portions of Wyoming and Idaho region. You can see another storm system here coming into the frame here on the approaching the northwestern U.S. That will continue to push inland. Should be coming up on Thursday and then moving across the country as well. We're supposed to go into a colder weather pattern coming up. Supposed to be coming up next week. So it'll be pretty much tranquil weather pretty much for most of the area. So the severe weather should diminish for a little while, but then it may ramp up again a little bit later on. So we'll continue to monitor that and see what happens. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you know anybody want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, send them my way. Only 6 subscribers away from that 600 mark. Make that 600 mark. I'll dress up as the Facebook weatherman once again, and I will congratulate everybody who has and thank my viewers for tuning into my forecast channel. Thank y'all very much as well. And if you have, like I said, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Send people over to my page, tell them to subscribe as well. Love to have them. I can keep them informed on the latest weather forecast as well. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see, we got a little bit of mixed precipitation portion Vermont and also northern New York State. Shower activity from New York State, central New York State down to New Jersey, Delaware, Pennsylvania, also around Lake Huron region, also over toward Michigan, Wisconsin, over to Iowa, and also Minnesota through Nebraska and Kansas region. We have got severe weather from Texas all the way into portion of Illinois and Indiana, including Missouri, Arkansas, portion of Tennessee, western Kentucky, and also portion of Oklahoma. Flash flooding possible from Texas as far north as Indiana and Ohio and Illinois region as well. Thunderstorms and showers from Texas to Louisiana to Mississippi to portions of North Georgia, upstate South Carolina, also in the portions of North Carolina up toward D.C., Delaware, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and southern Michigan, Indiana region as well. Got a pocket of heavy snow over portions of Colorado and New Mexico, and a little bit there in Arizona. Then more mixed precipitation from portions of northwestern Mexico to New Mexico to Arizona to North Texas. Far north is the Dakotas, Minnesota, Lake Superior, South Canada, Montana, Wyoming, and Utah. You're included, Colorado regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, here's your Saturday forecast. You can see we got some mixed precipitation, freezing rain over Maine to New Hampshire to Vermont and portions of northern New York State. Shower activity from Massachusetts to Rhode Island to Connecticut and eastern New York State as well. Thunderstorms and showers from central and western New York State over towards South Canada to Michigan, down to Texas, Oklahoma, Alabama. You're included through portions of North Georgia, West Virginia, D.C. area as well. Severe weather from portions of Texas to Louisiana to Mississippi, as far north as southern Ohio. And then we got the heavy rain and flash flooding continues from areas of Louisiana, far north as Ohio as well. We got a pocket of heavy snow over portions of Colorado, New Mexico, and the portion of the Panhandle of Texas. More mixed precipitation from Arizona, northern Mexico, New Mexico to Texas to portions of Kansas, Colorado, Oklahoma, far north as portions of southern Wisconsin, northern Michigan, around the Lake Huron, Lake Superior area, South Canada, stretching over to Minnesota. And then we got shower activity along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, and the eastern Pacific. Otherwise, big dry, high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some wind advisories up here in portion of Vermont, also northern New York State. Hydro issues over portions of Illinois and also northwest Indiana, also in portions of Nevada. We have tornado watches stretching from Texas to northern Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi through western and central Tennessee, also in the southern portion of the Kentucky region as well. We got severe thunderstorm warning in portions of Oklahoma, and also in the portion of Arkansas and north central Arkansas as well. And then we got the flash flood watches in effect for northeast Texas stretching to Ohio, and you can see all the flash flood warnings stretching from West Virginia to Kentucky to Tennessee to northern Mississippi, even some in portions of Arkansas. Got severe thunderstorm warnings there as well in Arkansas, also portions of Tennessee, also in the portion of Kentucky. We got a couple of tornado warnings over central Tennessee. Alright, we got some winter storm watches in effect for northern New Mexico, southern areas of Colorado. Then we got some winter weather advisories for southwestern Colorado, southern Utah, portions of Montana, and also in North Dakota. Even got a couple counties there in portions of Montana with a winter storm warning. Frost advisory for portions of areas of Washington, Oregon State, Northern California, and special weather statements over the Panhandle of Texas. Alright, even got coastal flood advisories down here across southern Louisiana, southeast Texas, southern and central and south Louisiana. Wind advisories also in effect for you guys as well. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the Wakefield, Virginia region as well. Also from the Miami, Florida to the Florida Keys there as well. Also from portions of the Mobile, Alabama to areas of Brownsville, Texas, coastal areas as well. Then we got from Santa Cruz, Los Angeles area, all the way up to areas of Medford, Oregon, with small craft advisory on the coastal region. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Small craft advisory, gale warning, south and southwest Alaska. Even got some blizzard warning and winter weather advisory along coastal areas there in Alaska. Alright, let's move on to the severe weather outlook. Here is your Friday's outlook. You can see here, let me get it right. General thunderstorm from Salt Lake City to Tucson, Arizona, to portion of Fort Stockton, to Wichita, Kansas, to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and also to Virginia Beach and Baltimore, Maryland area. And then we got a area of tech from, let's see, eastern Midlands to Columbus, Ohio, Fort Wayne, you're included, for marginal risk. Slight risk stretching from San Antonio, Austin, far north to Evansville, Indiana. And then we have a moderate risk around the Little Rock, Arkansas area, and also an enhanced risk as well in that vicinity. Alright, let's take a look at the tornado probability. Looks like this: 5% in green, 10 to 15 in the yellow and red area, slashed area as well. That is expected to be where F3 to maybe EF4 tornadoes can occur in that vicinity. Damaging winds, we have San Antonio to Columbus, Ohio, 5%. From Austin to Waco to Evansville, 15% for damaging winds. Large hail looks like this. Around the Abilene area, just west of Austin. And then again from Dallas all the way up to portions just southeast of Springfield. 30% around the eastern areas of Texas and portions of Arkansas, Little Rock, you're included, for maybe baseball size hail to golf ball size hail for you guys there as well. Let's take a look at day number 3. Alrighty. Okay, we got a general thunderstorm from over here around Albuquerque, New Mexico to Midlands, Texas, far north as portion of Portland, Oregon, Burlington, Vermont, And then we got from Austin, Texas to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, marginal risk. Slight risk from Houston to Cincinnati. And then from Little Rock to Memphis to Greenville, Mississippi, Jackson, Shreveport, Lupkin, and Alexandria region. An enhanced risk for severe weather. Would not be surprised maybe a moderate risk could be added there in a later forecast. But right now I'm going with the enhanced risk, but would not be surprised to see it. Alright, we have a 30% and a 15% yellow and red slashed area. This is where severe weather will occur. From Corpus Christi to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, is about a 5% area. In some areas will be 15% as well. Alright, let's move on to day number 4. This will be the last day of severe weather for a little while. Still got it highlighted around Mobile to Dalton to Tallahassee, Columbus, Atlanta, and Birmingham areas for a slight risk. Marginal risk will outline the area here. So get ready for day 3. You'll see a marginal risk outlined as a slight risk area as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and make sure you subscribe. And we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.